So, why is there
Exactly.
a manufacturing paradox such that scaling manufacturing operations is so difficult? Like, what breaks down if you were to give us a micro scale example so we can feel the pain of going from R&D stage, building a working robot to, 100 satellites or 1,000 drones or 100 rockets or a bunch of reactor cores? Like, what breaks down in that process?
Yeah. There's this phrase that we hear a lot when we speak with manufacturers out there in the world. And that phrase is when we go to production. When we go to production X, when we go to production Y. So when we go to production, we will need to invest in our supply chain management. When we go to production, that's when we'll want to have automated inspection capabilities on our factory floor. When we go to production, that's where we're really thinking about bringing in more 3D printers to scale our operations. What I find fascinating and ironic about all that is in this increasingly dynamic and rapid context that we're in, right? Where competition is constantly applying pressure, where the manufacturing technologies are rapidly iterating and improving. So material, capabilities in 3D printing, for example, or um, the quality inspection that's in the loop for composite manufacturing, all this stuff is moving faster. So this idea that there is this day where the company will have nailed everything that they need to, and then scale up production or go to production, I think is kind of a foolish idea. Um, it turns out, and this is also one of those lessons from SpaceX where we even had the kind of self-delusional concept that one day Falcon design would be done and pencils down and we could work on the next thing. Turns out that the truth is, we were always in production, and then the win was that we were always going to be in R&D.